Good morning, students. We already have started chapter 4 altitudes and medians of triangle, and in the previous period we have seen of page number 21 and 20 we have started median. Earlier we have studied altitude and median we have started in the previous period. So children, what is a median? The segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of a triangle. We already have seen how to draw median of a triangle in the previous video. So on page number 21, one activity was given, activity 4. So today we are going to do this activity. Draw three different triangles, a right angle triangle, an obtuse angle triangle, and an acute angle triangle. Draw the medians of a triangle. So here one by one we will start, and here one important note is given. Note that the centroid of each of them is in the interior of the triangle. Means of each triangle the centroid lies in the interior of the triangle. So first we will take acute angle triangle. So let us start, children. So you will be ready now with the pencil and compass and ruler. Okay. So first we will draw an acute angle triangle in this way. So draw, this is an acute angle triangle. In this way we have drawn acute angle triangle. Name this triangle as A, B and C. Now take a compass. One by one we will draw perpendicular bisector of each side. Here we are drawing median, means we are drawing a segment which joins the vertex, every vertex, so to its opposite side, that is to the midpoint of its opposite side. So how to find the midpoint? For finding the midpoint we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now take from vertex A. Vertex A opposite side is side BC. So we will draw perpendicular bisector of side BC. So in this way, take more than half distance of BC and draw two arcs upward and downward. So one arc here and one arc upward towards the side BC. And now from B also we will draw two arcs here and in this way. Then after drawing two arcs, what we will do? We will join those two arcs. This is point and this is one point. So join these two arcs with a dotted line. Okay. Take a pencil, dark pencil, and join it with a dotted line. In this way we will join dotted line. Now we have drawn one perpendicular of side BC which we have to take from vertex A. Now one perpendicular bisector we have drawn and it is a perpendicular. Okay. Now first of all we have drawn BC. Now we will take the another side from vertex B. A is over, from B. From B's opposite side is AC. So let us similarly we will draw perpendicular bisector of side AC. So take minimum more than half distance and we will draw two arcs in this way. We have taken more than half distance of these two, this side towards this side and towards the below side. And from A also we will draw the two arcs which intersect these two arcs. Now take ruler and join these two intersection arcs by a dotted line. In this way show the dotted line and join it. So in this way we have joined. So this is the perpendicular bisector of which side? Side AC. And this perpendicular bisector is of side BC. Now which side is left? AC is left. So similarly we will draw the perpendicular bisector of side AB also. So take minimum distance, that is more than half. Take more than half distance in this way and draw two arcs towards both the sides of AB. Here from B also we have drawn. Now we will draw arcs from point A. which intersects both the arcs. In this way, two arcs we have drawn. And now join it. Join these two arcs by again dotted line. So show the dotted line here. In this way, we will show a dotted line. Now see, all of the perpendicular bisectors we have drawn. Okay children, and now we will draw the median. The next part is median. From A we will join this point where the perpendicular bisector is attached. In this way we have drawn. From B, this point towards AC, where is the midpoint of AC? This point. So we will join B to that midpoint. And from C, where is the opposite side? AB from C. And the opposite side AB has midpoint touches at this point. So this midpoint we will join to point C. Okay. And now in this way we have drawn three medians and its point of intersection, the point of concurrence of all the three medians is called as point G. Understood? So let us write the answer now. So here, which are the three segments? Segments AP, segment BQ and segment CR are the medians. Next, what we will write are the medians of triangle. Which triangle? ABC. And the medians are concurrent. All the three medians are concurrent. Okay children, and its point of concurrence, what is the point of concurrence? Point G. So point G is the centroid. It is called as the centroid of triangle ABC. Okay, in the next video we will see another triangle. We have done now acute angle triangle. In the next video we will see the next type of triangle. Thank you.